guys, it's me, Angie, and welcome back to another video at Chi Club. Anyway, so today I will be doing a video where I'm going to show you my slime, and I'm trying to make it as long as I can, but yeah, this video will not be edited really good, so yeah. So basically what I used for this slime, I need to ask you guys to comment down below what kind of I need to ask you guys to please comment down below what kind of slime it is once I tell you what it's made of. So basically what to make it, I use a spoon in a bowl, of course, and then I mixed it all. So yeah, what I used in it for decor, like not really decor, but like to make it more glamour, whatever it's called, I used these like marbles, and I used one whole necklace and one whole bracelet, and then I used these little mini flamingos. They're kind of like this size. They're like the size of a flamingo. Like, see these pineapples? See these pineapples? That's the size of the flamingo I added in there. So basically that's what I used to make it more better. And I'm not opening it yet. So what I used in it was this lotion. It's just normal lotion. I used oil, shampoo, no, not shampoo, hand soap, and I made it more bubbly. Wait, let me show you. See how bubbly that is? Well, that's because I added that in. And I added Tide and Elmer's glue and not clear. Please comment down below what kind of slime it is, because, well, I'd really need to know. That way I can tell people. And if you touch it, you can feel the soap. So let me put it like that. That way you can see the slime. Oh my god, this is really sticky, guys, so don't mind that, because I really play with it. You are wondering, when did you make this slime? My answer is, whoa, June 25th. This was the day before I filmed this video. And it's probably gonna post the same day. Oh my god. It's probably gonna post the same day I posted it. So I'm gonna add more lotion and more Tide, but not in this video. But I'm gonna add the lotion right now because I have the lotion right now. And my mom will probably get mad at me if I add the Tide right now. So I'll add it when she allows me to. Look, it literally dropped my favorite decor in my room. Okay. And it's a really sticky slime. So that's why I said I'm going to add activator. And yesterday was really good when I was playing with it. It was like even hard. So how is it even sticky? And the poking in the slime, let me give you a little close up. The poking in the slime is really good, guys. You can literally do ASMR like this. So. Sounds so satisfying. It also feels good. So, guys, I've been making slime lately. I bought this big bottle of glue, and I'm probably going to take it back in my room because I feel like when my mom is left home, she probably throws some glue in. We were going to buy this tiny bottle at Target, and we were like, what the heck? It's like, it's very tiny. And there was a big bottle, and my mom was like, no, don't buy that. Well, she was going to buy it, and apparently we did buy it because we felt like it, and it's a really big bottle of glue. So I actually choose Elmer's glue for that because it is really good and I like it. So I don't know about you guys, but I really like it. This still has water in it. Let's pour some in there. Oh. It doesn't have water. Oh, there it is. Saw that drop right there? Well, we added it in there. It makes it more glossy, doesn't it? Tell me if it does, please, because I need to know more about slime. This is sticky. Okay, I think I have some activator left in this bowl, so there we go, I added some in there. Let me show you how much I added. It doesn't look like it, but I actually did add some in there. And that's what add colors, guys. So I will see you guys when I have it all mixed in. Okay, guys, so I added in even more than what you think, and it got less sticky. It's still very sticky though, so yeah. This video is very long already, and I don't really care. But that will be the end of this video because all I wanted to show you my slime and what I added in it. Please comment down below what kind of slime it is. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to comment hashtag @yourcloud down below. So yeah, bye.